We have to take the 10th one now, children. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region using pi as 3.14 and root 3's value is given as this. Okay, so this is the figure they are talking about. Now children, when I am doing the solutions for you, I am discussing I'm taking up the figure that are given out here in the question in the book itself. So when you are fairing up this work or when you're doing it in the examination, then you will draw these sketches also. Okay, don't cut it as short as I am doing it. I am doing it to save my time. But when you are fairing up the work, तो आपके पास figure भी होना चाहिए to be able to express it properly, to understand it properly. All right. So ये relevant figures, whichever corresponding figures have to be drawn there. Keep that in mind. Okay, back to it. So this is the question we have in hand, and for its solution, then from this figure. This is an equilateral triangle. So we know all angles of equilateral triangle are 60 each, one thing. Then we also know the formula for area of an equilateral triangle regarding its side. And we need to find the side to be able to find the radius of these circles. Okay? क्योंकि जो भी आपकी side आएगी इस equilateral triangle का, half of that will be the radius of these circles. From the figure you can understand that, right? ये पूरा side है. And ये diameter, not diameter exactly, or half of this, because they are touching, so ये दोनों equal lengths होंगी. So this ought to be the half of the side ought to be the radius of these circles. So keeping all that in mind, now the given of area of this equilateral triangle is this bit, and by formula we know equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Okay, so from here your side square will be this 4 will be cross multiplied to this side, so 4 into this figure, and root 3 का value उसने आपको दिया था 1.73205. So for calculation convenience we are removing all these zeros, so we have shifted 1 2 3 4 5 places. Okay, तो इधर भी 5 place balance, अगर इधर कर रहे हो left side तो right side भी करोगे. यहाँ पर एक ही decimal place था, so for the remaining 4 places we'll put zeros. 5 places यहाँ शिफ्ट होगी, 5 place यहाँ बैलेंस हो गया. अभी ये यहाँ डिविजन में आएगा समझो, या आप ये कहो कि अब ये फिगर इसको पूरा वन टाइम कैंसिल करके ये बन जाएगा 1 followed by 4 zeros. Calculation is up to you children, how you understand. Okay, so I've written 4 as 2 square and this 10,000 as 100 square. यहाँ 4 zeros से, so 100 square. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ साइड स्क्वायर है, हमें साइड निकालना था, तो अभी हम अंडर रूट करेंगे. All squares left, so side is equal to 2 into 100, 200. Okay, तो side of square हमने निकाल ली by use of our equilateral triangles area formula as 200. Now the area of the shaded portion. So as you can see out here, shaded portion है ये बीच में, ये पूरा triangle है. इससे अगर आप ये 1 2 3 sectors निकाल दोगे तो ये बीच का बचा is your shaded portion. Okay, therefore area of the shaded portion will be obtained as area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors there. So area of triangle was ready-made given to us 17320.5 and area of 3 sectors. So 3 and 1 से sectors हैं, all 60 degree each के. So 3 into 60 upon 360. Angle of sector 60. Equilateral triangle था, 60 upon 360. Pi was told as 3.14. R will become 100. 200 by 2. 200 side थी, तो half of that will be the radius. Okay. So 100 into 100 into 3.14 into this would cancel it out to give you 1 upon 2. Okay, so work it out. Calculation again, as I said, see how you find it convenient. Do it according to your convenience. So if you minus it, you get the area of shaded portion as this. Fine. Now next is your 11th question. Here is given as this, that on a square handkerchief 9 circular designs each of radius 7 are made. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 designs. So 3 at a time fit हो पा रहे हैं इस पूरी length में. Okay, radius इनका हमें बता रखा है. We have been told that radius of these circles is 7 centimeter. Okay, तो radius 7 होगा, तो ये पूरा circle यहाँ तक आ गया, तो ये इसका diameter आ गया 14. So 14 plus 14 plus 14, 3 14s are 42. तो पूरी side में अगर हम 3 such circles fit कर पा रहे हैं of diameter 14, then that means the side of the square is 42. You get that? Okay, तो उसने हमें खाली radius दिया था, but उस radius की help से we can evaluate the side of this square. Okay, so 6 times कर दो 7, 6 7s are 42 कर लो, या radius पहले diameter would become 14 and 3 14s would become 42. Clear? If you know that, then your work is easy because we have to find the area of the remaining portion. Question is to find the area of the remaining portion. ये leftover design के अलावा जो बच गया है, तो ये पूरे squares में 9 circular design बन गए, तो leftover will be square minus 9 circular designs. Get that? Okay, so 11th one, area of the remaining portion is area of square ABCD minus area of 9 circles. So area of squares formula is side square, circle का area होता है pi r square, और हमारे पास 9 such circles है, तो 9 pi r square. ये हो गई हमारे डिजाइन का एरिया. Okay, so side was 42. अभी हमने I had explained you कैसे 42 आई. So 42 into 42 is side. Is a area of square, and 9 pi is 22.7. Radius was told as 7 into 7. Cancel it out. Get that? Okay. What I've done here is I have taken this 7 common. 42 6 जा 7 होता है, तो 7 यहाँ भी था, यहाँ से भी मैं 7 ले सकती हूँ, तो मैंने 7 common ले लिया है. 6 42 is 552 252. And 9 into 22 then would become 198. Difference कर लिया, then 7 से multiply. Calculation, children, as you find convenient, you can do it. No hard and fast rule for that. Okay. But yes, in these questions, I'm saving my time by not drawing the figure, explaining you from the figure in the book itself. But आप जब question करोगे, you have to make the figures better. All right. For अपनी understanding के लिए भी, examiner के लिए भी, that you have understood the question properly for proper presentation. Okay. Right. Let's take the next one now. And the next figure here. OACB is a quadrant. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius being 3.5. Okay. If OD is 2, then you have to find the area of first the quadrant. तो quadrant का आपको quadrant है तो 1/4 हो गया, 90 का angle हो गया, 90/360 करो तो भी 1/4 होगा, straight away 1/4 भी कर सकते हो, 1/4 pi r square. That is easy. Shaded region here. तो इस पूरे क्वाड्रेंट में से आप ये ट्रायंगल हटा दे रहे हो. ओके, एंड ट्रायंगल इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हियर, सो वी कैन यूज, ये क्वाड्रेंट है तो ये 90 का एंगल होगा. ओके, सो इट्स अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, सो हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट का फॉर्मूला आप यूज कर सकते हो. राइट, तो बेस आपको पता है, रेडियस इज एक्टिंग एज बेस एंड हाइट इज 2. Okay, therefore area of the quadrant, which is 1/4 pi r square. All about calculation, children. Now you see, don't copy my calculations, try them on your own and see how you can do your working. Okay, so 1/4 pi's value, and because 3.5 is divisible by 7, I've removed all the decimal places, converted it to fraction. That's your area of quadrant. For shaded portion, we said quadrant minus triangle करेंगे, तो area of quadrant हम already work out कर चुके हैं, 77/8, and triangle आ जाएगा half into base into height. So half into 3.5 into height is 2. So 2 and half gets cancelled. This also I have converted to fraction because ये fraction form में था, 35/10. So that's your area. All right.